Guys, welcome back to another vlog. And I just took a shower because I just got done with my workout, and while taking shower I thought of showing you guys a home gym. We have recently made some changes, so I thought I'll share it with you guys how our home gym looks like and what are the basic equipments that I use. And I will also post my today's workout here. Tanya is over here feeling a little low today, and Marvel is over here. Marvel! Hi! What happened to you? He thinks that every time he sees me he needs a treat. Let me know if your dog does that too. And the battery, oops, and the battery is running low, so let me change the battery first. Alright. As usual, Friends is playing behind, and this would be the 100th time that we are rewatching it. The weather has been a little gloomy, and I think it's gonna be gloomy over the next few days. So you can see a little so bright, but it's raining and it's sunny at the same time. Good thing we don't have to water our plants today because they are getting watered. Plants update. Look at that. The plants are super good, super beautiful. There are tomatoes coming, lettuce is super big over there, mint is super bushy, strawberries we are already eating every other day. Every other day we are getting some strawberries, like 1 or 2, and we eat it. And I think I got some here. Hold on, all good things take time. Fridge is super packed. We cut some watermelon and strawberries. Can you tell which one is ours?
Small one.
Yes, so basically we got some strawberries from the farm. These are the ones from the farm, of course. Huge difference, and these one, the baby ones, are from our plant, which is planted in a pot. There's a huge difference when you plant fruit and like in the soil directly versus in the pot, but we are happy. Our tiny little strawberries. Right, so I'm gonna show you guys the home gym and what it looks like. It's in our garage since we have only one car, and this guy wants to go, so I'll let him go today. For any new subscribers who haven't seen our garage, these are our shopping bag, our shoe racks, and our car, of course. Things we changed in our garage, and then we'll go to the home gym. We cleaned the garage. We had this corner for all our garden tools. You can see everything, the rake, the lawnmower, and the edger, and everything related to our garden. So that's our garden tools. This area is our gym, and I'll show you the best equipments, or at least the equipments that you should have to have a home gym. We have an elliptical, that's for cardios on the days when you're not feeling like doing a HIIT workout or a functional training. We use like a 15-20 minutes, just a super quick thing, elliptical. Then we have, both of us have our own mats. These are our own mats. Marvel always take away my gym ball. I'll show you what is that whenever he comes in here. This is the gym rack, and I forgot to put this weight back on. So this is a dumbbell rack. It starts from 10 pounds, it goes up to 30 pounds. It's a super neat dumbbell rack. I liked it because we cannot go to the gym. I think this is super cool. These are the 8-pound dumbbells because the rack comes with the 10 pounds, and this is the 8-pound ball, power ball, a 10-pound kettlebell, an ab roller, something for your back, the yoga. What is this called? Yoga
box.
Yoga box. These are ankle or weights. You can put it in your ankles. This is for your abs and stuff. Push-ups and stuff, and a yoga ball. Another set of things that you would want is your resistance bands, and these are the best things to have on hand. So these are the resistance band. This is light, this is heavy, and this is super strong. And then these are the ones for your mobility training and for your And these are the ones that you can use for your mobility training and resistance trainings as well. So this is the obviously the more powerful one, this is the less powerful ones, and then this is the skipping row. So that's pretty much it. I have my diary here that actually has my plans for what I'm working out on which day and how my workout goes. I show my gratitude and how my workout went. So I keep a log of things. Sometimes I don't log them, but I know what I did. I just follow it. Obviously, this is our speaker that we use. Very important to have in gym. Without music, you are not gonna survive. So very good for motivation. Let me see what else I got here. I think that is it. Very basic. I am doing most of the training with the dumbbells, so that is all I need. So I needed a good distribution weight between of all kind of dumbbells, and I got this for a good deal. If you guys want to know where I got this from, let me know in the comment box. I can guide you through, and that is it. If you have any questions, let me know about the home gym and what kind of trainings do you do share with me. I'll also share what I did today on the side of the screen here or the description box. So check out the description box. Let's go back in. Also, if you haven't seen my ginormous bottle, here it is, and it's almost towards the end. When you're working out, we always say hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Summers are anyways here, but this keep me on track for sure. It is a 4-liter bottle, and I normally finish this by 5 and sometimes a little late. So if you don't want to pee all night, you probably want to drink your water by like 7. Alright, my hair looks super bad. I'm filling up the bottles for tomorrow, and Tanya is trying to convince Marvel to come play. But he's here, ready to go upstairs. Marvel, what is mommy doing? What is the rooster doing? My goodness, mommy is playing with the rooster. You should take the rooster upstairs. We should take the rooster upstairs. It's night time. It's night time. Take the rooster upstairs. Come on, let's go. Take it. Come on. Take it upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Can you wait for mommy? Thank you. Wait for mommy. Oops. I just put the dishwash.
But utensils in here? And then
You were gonna say bartan in here?
Yeah. And then you forgot to put the
Yeah, I
soap.
forgot to turn it on. Which she has done
Yeah.
so many times. She would just put in the soap in there,
just
but she
walk
forgot to. Yeah. Bottles are ready. He is ready.
Let's go up.
And we refilled his treat box today. Let's go upstairs. I'll close.
Your phone is there?
Okay.
Upstairs.
Hey, Will, this is not the playing time. What you doing? Is mommy teasing you? Alexa, turn on master bedroom lights. Alright, well, I really hope you guys enjoyed a little home gym tour, and if you're thinking of making one, feel free to ask me questions and I would be more than happy to answer them. Stop blurring my face. Alright, so Post your questions in the comment box and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. This is it for today's vlog. I'm gonna see you tomorrow, and till then, stay safe. Bye bye.